Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well wherever you are. So today I am going to harvest some salad greens here in my small backyard garden. Maybe I have some radishes that's are ready to be harvested. I know the spinach is ready, so it's going to rain tomorrow, so I better harvest some of them. All right, join me. It's gonna Wow, the spinach are so healthy. As you can see, the spinach are starting to have some seeds right there. So we're gonna harvest it now. Soon it is going to bolt, so that's why it's the perfect time to harvest it. Look at this spinach right here. Wow, so healthy. So in this area, I am using an organic fertilizer which I made, a homemade fertilizer from kitchen scraps and eggshells, banana peels, some coffee grounds, and look how healthy is the plant is. So after I harvest the spinach, I am going to plant a water spinach in this area as well. So let's harvest all of them. Look at this one. Weeds hiding. And I have some calendula seeds in here that grows. Now it's big. All right, let's see the radishes. So this is a white icicle radish. It's not that bad. It's a good size. So we'll get some as well. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? See? Whoa, what happened to that one? Oh, that wasn't. That's bad. This one's going to my compost. Right here. Let's see this one right here. Oh, look how long is this one here. Oh, I just want to show this one here. As you can see, this is caused by too much rain. It's been raining here for a week now, so some of the plants doesn't like it, so it's starting to get rotten right here. You see the black stuff right there on the bottom. So this is going to my compost. And if you see, look at this one right here. It's starting to bolt because the weather right now, it's either cold or hot. So plants are getting so confused as well. It's starting to make some seeds. See that? All right, let's get more radish. some are not ready. Oh, this one right here is ready. That one is okay. All right, so now we'll get some lettuce. Maybe some kale right here. Get some kale. Look at this fresh, tiny kale leaves. Oh my goodness, this is good. So imagine all the plants in here is free. The seeds I have saved from previous year is the one that I planted in here. So this doesn't cost me nothing. All I have to do is come out here, dig, and just plant the seeds, and this is what I get. Free food in my small backyard garden. All right, so I think I am going to see the container over there and harvest more lettuce. What I like with this small garden is I have two little doors. So this is the back door, which I always close in case some uninvited guests come here at night. So we locked it. And then I have another door on the other side as well. All right, so let's go to harvest more of the greens in the container. So look at this container here. These are mixed salad greens. You see that? Beautiful lettuce is growing in here. I have the red Russian kale. Look at the speckles on this lettuce. Look at this. I think I'm gonna get some as well. Let's try to harvest some for the salad tonight. Okay, so when you harvest a salad, just make sure to take some on the bottom so that the center can continue to grow. I want to show you these leaves. Look at this. So pretty. All right, let me try to get some in here. All right, that's good for now. We'll go see the container. Whoa, look at this. Look at this lettuce over here. This is planted in a container pot. So wow, this is massive. We have to harvest a whole bunch of them. There we go. And some of this. There's gonna be a lot of salad tonight for sure. And now we're going to there you go, and we're going to get some red Russian kale. The thing with the kale is the more you harvest it is the more that's going to grow more. So we'll get more of this. There, that's enough for her. Now, there we go. Okay, so we're going to add some spring onions for our salad. So these are the green salads that I'm sorry. So these are the green onions that I planted in early spring. So actually I've been harvesting this a lot. So I think this is enough for tonight. We can have a salad for tonight. And that's plenty enough. So this is how much I harvest just for today, and every day the garden is just gonna provide more food for me and my family, and it's all free, and there's no fertilizer on it, and it did not travel from anywhere. I don't need to go to the store just to get some salads. I get everything in here. So I hope this encourages you as well to grow your own vegetables. Thank you so much for watching, and again, this is Life Woman Garden with Anna Rica, and oh, look at that beautiful bird! You see that? Somewhere here. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.